Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a cozy and delicious Daikon Meatball Vermicelli Soup. Just look at this. It's light, nourishing, and so comforting. The broth is clear and flavorful. The meatballs are bouncy and tender, and the glass noodles soak up all that goodness. Perfect for a chilly day. Okay, let's get cooking. First, let's make the meatballs. I'm using the pork shoulder, but you can go with pork or beef depending on how lean or fat you like it. Into the ground meat, add a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of MSG, and a teaspoon of white pepper. Now pour in a little scallion ginger water and stir in one direction until it starts coming together. Crack in one egg and keep stirring. This helps the meatballs stay tender and smooth. Next, add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and keep mixing in the same direction. Now it's time to work the mixture with your hands. Stir, then pick it up and slap it back into the bowl a few times. This gives the meatballs that nice springy texture. Finish with 0.5 tablespoons of sesame oil. Mix again and let it rest for 5 to 8 minutes. While that's marinating, peel a daikon and cut it into thin strips. And we will also need some soaked vermicelli noodles. Everything is ready, let's cook. Bring a wok of water to a boil, then lower the heat. Gently shape the meatballs by hand and drop them in one by one. Don't stir, just let them cook gently on low heat so they sit. Once they float to the top, turn up the heat to finish cooking. Look at them, they are so bouncy. Scoop them out along with the broth. Now in a clean wok, heat a little oil. Add the shredded daikon and stir-fry it for a while to take away that raw bite. When it starts to soften, pour in the meatballs along with the broth. Season with 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of MSG, and a teaspoon of white pepper. Let it simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. Add in the soaked vermicelli. Cook for about a minute. Then finish with a tablespoon of sesame oil. And that's it, ready to serve. Wow, just look at the soup. Light, fragrant, and so satisfying. See that? The texture is firm yet tender, and so juicy. On a cold day, a steaming bowl of this is pure comfort. I've got to taste it. The broth is so fresh and savory. The meatballs are tender. And the noodles tie it all together. Simple to make, but so rewarding. You've got to try this one at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.